This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Tail light bulbs replacement. Open the lift gate. Remove the tail light housing bolt. Pull the housing straight back and off of the body, using a plastic trim tool for assistance if necessary. Rotate the bulb holder counterclockwise and remove it from the housing. Pull the faulty bulb straight out and replace it with a new one, pushing it firmly in place. Insert the bulb holder into the housing and rotate it clockwise until secured. Install the tail light housing by first aligning the locating studs, then pushing the housing firmly into place on the body. Install and tighten the tail light housing bolts securely.